Maraming mga fans at followers ni Chris Aquino ang nalungkot nang mabalitaan nga nilang hiwalay na si Chris sa kanyang boyfriend na doktor. Sa isang post kasi ni Chris noong Sunday ay naikwento niya ang tila ilan sa mga pangyayari na kung saan ay naghiwalay sila ng nasabing doktor. Pero marami rin ang nagulat nang i-edit ni Chris ang kanyang unang post. Sa unang post kasi ni Chris ay mababasa ang ganito. The truth, in his words, iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin. Sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayer is that he will now stop trash talking and cursing my best friends and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving every day genuine love, compassion, and loyalty. Pero makalipas nga ang ilang oras ay binago ito ni Chris at sinabi ang kanyang dahilan. Iniwan kita masikip ang paligid. My prayer now is that we leave each other's out of our failure. I did cling and ask for too much because you restored my hope. When in your arms, I did feel safe. I don't regret loving you completely, sanay akong mabigo. Doon ay sinabi din ni Chris ang ganito, I edited because there are two children whom I love. They will remain in my heart. Bim is my source of strength, while M and M made me smile, laugh, and value life's simple pleasures. Ang tinutukoy ni Chris na mga M and M ay ang mga anak ni Dr. Mike Padlan. Kaya naman in defense, nagbigay ng pahayag ang anak ni Dr. Mike sa pamamagitan ng isang Facebook post. Ayon sa kanya, kailangan niya ipagtanggol ang kanyang ama dahil maraming ang lumalabas sa mga kwento sa social media at hindi nga ito balanse. Narito ang post ni Miguel Lorenzo Padlan sa kanyang Facebook page. A son's love and truth, defending my father's honor. I am the son of Dr. Padlan and I am speaking up because I love my father. I cannot remain silent while false stories are being spread about him. It is disheartening to see how some people twist the truth and create baseless narratives that only cause unnecessary drama. I kindly ask everyone to stop spreading lies and fabricating stories that are unfair and misleading. The truth is simple, yes. My father and Mama Chris separated because the spark between them was gone. However, that does not mean my father never loved her. He truly did. The relationship was real and he cared deeply for her. But love alone is not always enough to make a relationship last forever. Sometimes two people are simply not meant to be together in the long run, no matter how much they once loved each other. What pains me the most is that during the relationship, my siblings and I often felt neglected because my father was constantly traveling to America to be with Mama Chris. He gave so much of his time and energy to her even at the cost of his own well-being. There were times when he had little to no money left and was losing patients at his clinic, yet he still chose to be with her. However, let me make one thing clear. My father never asked her for anything. He never begged for money or gifts. Whatever Mama Chris gave, whether financial support or presents, she did so out of her own kindness and generosity. Despite all the hardships he faced, both emotional and financially, my father never abandoned us. He remained present in our lives, even during the most difficult times. That is the kind of man he is, selfless, loving, and strong. And that is why I am speaking of now. I cannot stand by and watch his name be dragged through the mud with false accusations and misleading narratives. Good people cannot be brought down. Soon my father will leave the country to care for my aunt, who just had surgery, because that is the kind of man he is, always putting others first. My respect for Mama Chris remains immense because my father truly loved her. It may hurt to admit that my siblings and I sometimes felt neglected by our father, but we understand Mama Chris needed him and we respected that. All we ask is that she does not spread stories that are untrue. My father's friends and patients know who he truly is, and they can attest to his character. We love you, Mama Chris, and we love our father as well. Family is family. That is why I am here to support my father and stand by my family. Sa letter na ito na ipinakita ni Miguel, marami ang tila nalungkot at naiyak na kailangan pa niyang mag-explain sa social media dahil sa unang lumabas na mga comment ni Chris Aquino. Ayon sa mga fans, naawa sila dahil kailangan pang magsalita ng anak ni Dr. Mike dahil na rin sa mga naging comment ni Chris sa social media. Matatandaan kung ano ang maipost sa social media ay mabilis itong kumakalat dahil na rin kilalang tao si Chris at milyon-milyon ang kanyang mga followers. Kaya naman ayon sa mga fans, kailangan talaga na alamin ang buong kwento. Matatanda ang private citizen si Dr. Mike kaya wala rin siyang avenue or place para ipagtanggol ang sarili. Ito nga lang din ang post ng kanyang anak na si Miguel para makita ng mga fans at followers na hindi lahat ng dapat nakikita sa social media ay paniwalaan. Bagkus ay i-double check ang kwento. Para sa kanya, unfair na mabahiran ang pangalan ng kanyang ama na matagal nang nagtrabaho bilang doktor at marami nang naging mga kliyente. Kaya naman sa post na ito ni Miguel, maraming mga netizen at mga naging kakilala ni Dr. Mike ang ipinagtanggol ang doktor. Ayon sa kanila, well said Miguel, Doc Padlan has a good heart. Doc Mike is the best. We knew Doc Padlan, napakabait na doktor niyan. Sa puntong ito ay maraming nakaunawa sa pag-post na ito ni Miguel para ipagtanggol at linisin ang pangalan ng kanyang tatay. Ayon sa mga fans, napakasarap na madinig na may isang anak na mahal ang kanyang ama. Sa bandang huli, pinakita rin naman ni Miguel na mahal din niya si Chris Aquino at nagpapasalamat siya sa mga kabutihan na ginawa na ito. Pero doon din nakita ang matinding sakripisyo na ginawa ni Dr. Mike para maabutan at maasikaso si Chris Aquino. Ilang mga fans ang nagsabing sana ay naiisip din ito ni Chris at huwag at dahan-dahan or hinay-hinay lang dapat sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon sa social media. Matatandang inedit ni Chris ang kanyang mga post pero may mga screenshot nang naipakita at nabasa ng maraming mga tao na sumusuporta sa kanya. In the end, wish pa rin ng mga fans na gumaling si Chris at sana nga din daw ay matuto na ito sa mga pangyayari sa kanyang buhay at bagkos mag-focus sa kanyang health para tuluyan ng gumaling. Samantala, narito naman ang edited post ni Chris Aquino sa kanyang Instagram. During this time of uncertainty, I am ready to share my painful truth. Time has passed, Dr. M did not love me. He chose to leave when my autoimmune conditions were multiplying. In my defense, the MD received the correct professional fees even when we were a couple. Alvin is calculating if he is still owed more. I edited because there are two children whom I love. They will remain in my heart. Bim is my source of strength, while M and M made me smile, laugh, and value life's simple pleasures. I know because of this post, I won't see the two of you grow up. Please remember, Mama Chris fulfilled her promises. Alvin brought you new iPods last night. Thank you, Power Max Center, for efficient delivery. I did bring you to school. We shared cotton candy, strawberry milk, and milk chocolate. Iniwan kita, masikip ang paligid. My prayer now is that we leave others out of our failure. I did cling and ask for too much because you restored my hope. When in your arms, I did feel safe. I don't regret loving you completely. Sanay ako mabigo.